Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about our research topic AI and creativity. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the creative world. From generating art and music to assisting in content creation, AI is redefining what creativity means in modern age. But how exactly is AI influencing different industries, our psychological perception of creativity and the future of creative jobs? In this video, we will explore these three key areas to understand the true impact of AI on creativity. Creative industries such as art, music, film, fashion, and content creation are being transformed by AI. Powerful tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, Runway ML allow artists to create stunning visuals in just few seconds. While AI-powered composers such as AI-VA generate music in different styles and genres. AI is no longer just assisting, it is actively participating in the creative process. To take an example, let's look in different industries. For example, in the film industry, AI is used to help script writing, scene generation, and even voice cloning. Filmmakers use AI-powered editing tools to enhance special effects and post-production workflows. To look in music industries, AI can also be seen there. It analyzes trends and composes symphonies and even mimic famous musicians' styles. For example, AI-generated music has been used in advertisement, games, and even full-length albums. Coming to fashion and design industry, AI can predict upcoming trends by analyzing consumer behavior and generating new designs. Companies like H&M and Nike use AI to create fashion pieces based on data-driven insights. In journalism and content creation, AI-generated articles and marketing copy are becoming more and more common. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper assist writers in drafting content efficiently. Despite these advancements, there is an ongoing debate. Is AI truly creative, or is it simply mimicking patterns based on data? While some fear AI will replace human creativity, many professionals see it as a tool that enhances rather than replaces artistic expression. AI is not the end of human creativity. It is a new chapter. By understanding its role in industries, its psychological impacts, and its effects on jobs, we can harness its potential while preserving the essence of human expression. Creativity is evolving, and AI is becoming a powerful tool that can expand our artistic possibilities rather than limiting them. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. What are your thoughts on AI and creativity? Let us know in the comments below. With AI taking on more creative tasks, many people fear that human jobs in creative industries are at risk. Will AI replace artists, designers, and writers? The reality is even more complex. While AI can automate repetitive creative tasks, jobs that require deep emotional intelligence, storytelling, and unique human experiences remains difficult for AI to replicate. Instead of replacing artists, AI is creating even new jobs opportunities. Fields like AI-assisted creative direction, AI prompt engineering, and AI art curation are emerging, blending human expertise with machines. Many companies are now seeking AI-human collaboration rather than complete automation. AI can assist in generating concepts, while humans can refine and add depth to those ideas. However, AI also presents challenges. The accessibility of AI-generated content means that mass production of AI art, music, and writing could lower the demand for human creatives, forcing professionals to adapt and find new ways to distinguish their work. The future of creative jobs will likely involve working alongside AI rather than competing against it. Embracing AI as a tool rather than a threat can open new opportunities for artists, musicians, and writers. AI's increasing role in creative industry raises psychological questions about originality, authenticity, and the value of human creativity. Many artists, musicians, and writers wonder if AI can create, does that diminish the value of human made art? To support this sentence, let's look at some examples. Some artists experiences imposter syndrome, feeling that their work is less valuable when AI can produce similar results in a fraction of the time. This psychological pressure can discourage creativity rather than inspire it. However, AI can also enhance creativity by acting as a brainstorming tool. Writers, musicians, and designers often use AI to generate ideas, experiment with new styles, and even overcome creative blocks. Studies suggest that working alongside AI can improve problem solving skills by exposing individuals to new artistic possibilities and creative techniques that they might not have considered otherwise. AI challenges our traditional understanding of creativity. If AI can generate art, music, and literature, does that mean creativity is just a process of pattern recognition? Or is it like there's something uniquely human about creativity that AI can never replicate? AI is not just changing how we create, it is reshaping how we think about creativity itself. The emotional and personal connection that human artists bring to their work is something AI has yet to fully capture.